Hey y'all, I know it's been a while. I missed you guys. I hope you missed me too. And we're gonna get straight into this video today, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to be a baddie on a budget with this $12 ponytail, okay? So my hair is already washed and blow dried. Right now I'm just going over my edges and everything to make sure it's as straight as I can get it before we slick it up in this ponytail. And y'all, sorry for the ugly faces in advance. When I do my hair, I am focused, all right? Oh well, just hang in there with me, okay? Now that our hair is all pressed out, we're going to go ahead and start to mold the shape of the ponytail. Get it as high as you want it to be. And then we're going to go in with some Got To Be Glued or whatever spray you have, holding spray, to get that ponytail to stay in place. Make sure you pull out whatever edges that you want to be out, your little side baby hairs, because once you start molding, it's going to be hard to get those down if you change your mind. Right here, I was just trying to remind you guys, if you want your ponytail to have some height and you want that wraparound to have some height, go ahead and grab 2 ponytail holders, because that's going to help us out in the end. Molding your ponytail does take a little while, especially if you're doing it by yourself. I would recommend maybe getting a wax stick too to help you get some of those flyaways to stay down, but the Got To Be Glued spray worked really well. Go ahead and finish up the final touches on your ponytail, and then when you're done, actually braid your ponytail down so that we can start to wrap our tracks. Using wrap strips is probably the most important part of this ponytail. You do not want everything you just sprayed down to start to lift, so wrap the wrap strips down on your hair so it can stay in place. So this is where that second ponytail holder is going to come in. We're going to go ahead and wrap it around the first ponytail, but make sure to push it up a little higher so it'll give your wraparound some height. So this is the hair I use, and as you guys can see, it was $11.99 for a 12-inch bundle of 1B. The company is called Extra, and it's a perm yaki. That's that move when you know your hair about to be done. really like to use glue in my hair, so I secure the track at the bottom with the ponytail holder and then just wrap up my braid a little tight so that everything is secure. And this ponytail lasts me over a week and nothing slipped or came off. So as you guys can probably see, the hair that I bought was just enough to do this ponytail. The tracks literally stopped right at the beginning of the ponytail holder. So I just used my wraparound hair to cover up the ponytail holders and you weren't able to see anything. So it really worked out perfect. That was literally the amount of hair that I needed. So for the wraparound, you're going to need some type of gel. I'm using Eco Styler. You're going to put it all on the hair from root to tip that you're going to wrap around. It's going to make it easier for the hair to stick together. And then we're going to go in with some Got To Be Glued. Just go ahead and watch me do it, and then you guys can do it on your own. Also, make sure you have a rat tail comb or something that can smooth out the hair with the gel in it, and then we're going to continue to wrap and spray, wrap and spray. And after you're done with your wraparound, you're pretty much done with your ponytail. And now you have a $12 ponytail. Last time I did flip the ends up like a Barbie ponytail, but it kind of makes the hair a little crunchy because it is synthetic. So I wouldn't recommend doing that until maybe the last day or second to last day that you're going to take this ponytail down. Last, I just went in with some sheen spray and we are done. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.